In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a chicken drinker for ridiculously cheap. Now you're going to need some nipples, which cost pennies, some 32mm tank connector and pieces, which also cost not very much at all, and then you're going to need some 32mm pipe, as well as a 9mm drill bit to drill your holes for these, and a bit of PVC cement. Now the first step, mark a line out along the top of your pipe. Now that's quite easy to do. You literally get yourself a pen, rest your thumb or your finger at the right width on a piece of wood, and then all the way along. You'll get a fairly straight line. And the next step, start drilling some holes. Once you've got all your holes done along the pipe, next step, clean up any bits like that with little burrs on, get rid of them so they're all nice, smooth, roundish holes, so we can start putting these in. Now there's a couple of different ways you can mount these now. I always choose to just literally screw them in by hand, but obviously you can use some sort of screw thread turner to put a screw thread in all these to make it a bit easier if you want, but if you're reasonably strong fingered, you'll be able to just push them in and twist and twist and twist, make your own little screw thread and pop it through. Now as you're about halfway down the screw thread in the hole, get a little blob of PVC cement, put it around the outside. Now you don't need to do this, but it will prevent more leaks if you do. And then yeah, continue to screw it in till it's nice and tight. Right, let's do a few of these. Now once you've got your pipes with all your nipples ready, it's time to put a hole in your tank and connect it up with some sort of tank connector. Now I'm using this sort, so basically you drill your hole, push that through it, then get a bit of sealant around each side, here and here, and just screw it tight against your tank. Now when you're cutting this hole with these, you want to make sure that you've got a hole saw that's the same size as the outside of the screw thread there, just so you know it fits through then. Right, let's go cut the hole and get a tank connector on. So I've put the tank connector in the side of a 1,000 litre tote. Now I've gone for a massive tote because obviously we're going to have a lot of chickens and we need at least a couple of days water in here at a time. But yeah, you can do this off a 10 litre bucket or a 2 litre water bottle if you want, depending on how many chickens you've got. And so once you've got the tank connector, whatever type you go for, securely in, obviously then you need to start building your little apparatus to fix your drinker to. Now obviously because you're using this pipe, you can put your drinker quite a way away if you want. You can have it outside the pen, which I'd suggest, makes it easier to maintain, and then literally just run your pipe to wherever you need it. So I'm just going to finish this off now, and then chicken drinker's done. So we're all complete. As you can see there, got the connection in, got it all hooked up, got all 100 nipples in place with a gutter underneath ready to catch any drips. That'll then feed a little garden out here, which will probably be used for feeding the chickens, grow some sort of fodder crop over here. But as you can see, simple. Hasn't taken very long at all to put this together, and this is a massive one. You can literally put one together in minutes really, if you're only planning on putting like 4 or 5 of these nipples together for like 10 or 15 chickens. And yeah, you can, like I said before, you can use any sized container for the water. We're using 1,000 litres because we've got 1,000 chickens who want a few days worth of water. You can get away with a 10-gallon bucket if you want. Well, that's it. Till next time.